Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're visiting my channel, click the like, comment, subscribe, it's free, and click on the bell notification button so that you can get notified anytime we post a new video. You can also share our video with your friends.
Ikpute Okpu Ajie. It's about being honored with what could be called the rank of the Field Marshal in Onitsha Kingdom. The title can only be conferred on subjects who has contributed to the growth and the development of Onitsha Kingdom by the Obi of Onitsha himself. In the presence of the members of the Obi's cabinet, the individual being conferred with the title must have previously passed through the rank of the Ichie Opareze and lastly Ichie Opa before attaining the present. Any individual conferred with the title automatically becomes the third in command in Onitsha Kingdom. The kindred music used in entertainment of Ikpute Okpu Ajie in Onitsha Kingdom is being beaten with gongs and drums while people dance to the rhythms of the sound. The weak, aged and feeble nod their head and shake their feet If you are enjoying this video, click on the like, comment and subscribe.
Ajie, can you? I'm not possible.
If there is any video you would like to see on our channel, you can also drop it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.